Hey everyone, in this video, we'll talk about Sakli Incent tutorial for beginners. Streamline sales compensation management. So first, what is Sakli Incent? Sakli Incent is a leading sales performance management tool that automates commissions, calculations, and helps ensure transparency and accuracy in sales compensation. Now first, on setting up. Log in and navigate. Access Sakli Incent via your computer's browser and create an account. Use your assigned credentials. First-time users should update their profile and password. Understand the layout. On the dashboard, you can view real-time performance metrics and earnings. On the tabs and menu, you can access plans, credits, codes, payments, reports, and settings. Now, to set up compensation plans. To create a new plan, navigate to Plan Setup, then Compensation Plans. Define plan name and description, effective dates, payees and roles, rules and components, quota base, flat rate or tiers. Now, to add plan components, examples include revenue attainment tiers, product-specific bonuses, accelerators for exceeding quota, assign weight, weightings, and formulas. Attach plans to users. Assign plans to individuals or groups via the Pay Assignment section. Now, import or credit transactions. For the credits, the sales transactions must be credited to the appropriate rep. Manually input or import using data files from CRM, and then validate credits before finalizing. On audit trail, view credit logs to troubleshoot or verify transactions. Ensure proper alignment with credit rules. Now, to run calculations and payouts. On running commission calculations, navigate to Calculations, then Run Calculation. Choose Pay Period and verify accuracy. Preview commission earnings before locking. And then, to review and approve, manager or finance can approve or adjust payouts before finalizing. Apply manual adjustments if necessary. Release payments. Once approved, generate payout reports. Export to payroll systems or upload payment files. On reporting and dashboards, use built-in reports to view commission summaries, quota attainment, and plan effectiveness. Custom dashboards help reps and managers track performance. Next, compliance and audit tools. Lock historical periods for audit readiness. Use the audit log to track plan changes, credit overrides, and approvals. Now here are some tips for beginners. First, start with a test plan before assigning live compensation. Second, use what-if modeling to preview plan changes. Third, schedule regular reviews of quotas, plans, and performance data. And lastly, train your team on dashboards so they can self-serve insights. And that's basically it.